actually I had to buy these now just so that I had like the proper visualizations to be like, what does Cheshire Cat in Alice Lost in Wonderland sound like?
Oh yeah,
What is
because this is a different Cheshire Cat than you've ever seen before. This is like an interdimensional ghost yokai cat snake demon thing, and like he's so pretty and friendly when he's in front of her, and he's so vicious and terrifying when he's behind her back. I just love him.
Every Wednesday afternoon at 3:30 Eastern, 2:30 Central.